again with some new logic, new tricks in Power Query M code. So today we are going to discuss about the custom function. Okay, so custom function, how you can create in Power Query M code, how you can create the custom function, and how you can invoke. That is the logic today we are going to discuss. Okay, so this is the data I have today. This is three tables. One is Jan month. You can see the table name here. This is Jan month, name of the table Fab month. This is March, MAR. Okay, so we are trying to build one custom function to clean all these three tables. So today we are going to discuss, this is the logic. Okay, so how we can make the custom function and we can invoke to clean all these three table rather than going every table and cleaning the same logic. Okay, so let us load one of the table into Power Query. So I'm going to load this Jan month data in the Power Query. Click this icon. Okay, go to data tab, click this icon, table/range. So it will launch the Power Query editor. Okay, now the data is loaded into Power Query. You can see here, and we have here two steps. One is source type, which is pointing to this table. Okay, this table, and another is change type step, which is automatically created by Power Query. Okay, if you like to turn off this one, you can go to option and turn it off. There is option. Right time being, I'm going to delete this change type step. Okay, and now I'm going to clean this data, and after cleaning I'll make the function. Okay, and then after making the function, we'll just invoke to clean the data, all the three table. Okay, so what you have to do first, you can just select these three columns, four columns, and just in unpivot. Basically our logic is to make this department, these are the department, into one column and their value into another column. Okay, so I'm going to select this four columns and unpivot other column. Okay, so now what is going to happen, it has been created two additional column, which is attribute and value, meaning all the department converted into column, and their value also converted into column. Instead of row, it was given multiple column, but now we have only two column. Okay, one is department and another is value. So let us change the name. Attribute, we can put here department and the value. Okay, here I have changed the name. Okay, now this is the cleanup we are trying to do into all these three tables. Okay, so how we can create the function, and then same function we can apply on all the three table, and our data will be cleaned up. Okay, so let us make the function now. So to make the function, what you have to do, you can go to view and click on advanced editor, and here before let keyword, just press enter and make one function here. Okay, to make the function, you write the double quote, double bracket. Okay, and here you just give the variable. I'm going to give as a my table. This is my variable as table. Okay, so meaning I'm going to create one function. Okay, just remove this table only, we can write table. Okay, and here is equal to and greater than, meaning this keyword represents that we are going to create the function. Okay, and what you have to do when we create the function, you can remove the first step, because we are going to create the function, we are going to remove this first step. Instead of putting the source which is pointing to the first step source, just input this variable here. Okay, and click done. Now you can see here our logic, our query is converted into function. You can see here it is showing the icon fx. Okay, and we can keep the name as a clean data. Okay, clean data. Now what we need to do, we want to bring all this table. Okay, our table. So what you have to do is you can go here home button and close and load. Okay, so our function has been loaded, okay, into the Excel. If you double click here, it will ask the parameter. Right now we do not have the parameter because we have not loaded the table. We have just created the function. So let us load all this table into the Power Query. So click any of the cell in the table and click this one, table slash range, and just load the data. So this is our join data, and close and load. Just here click here create only connection. So this is our gen data. Go down, click again the same icon, and go here close and load, only create connection. Last data, go here, close and load to, and close and load to create only connection. Okay, so we have loaded all our three tables. Okay, now we'll invoke. How we can invoke our function which we have created, this one. So double click, and now it is asking which table you want to invoke, which table you want to clean. So let us select the gen and click OK. Okay, so you can see here the data has been cleaned up. You can see here the logic what we built in the function. While creating the function, we have unpivoted the column and we changed the department name as a department and the value. So meaning our data is clean. We do not need to go and apply all those steps which we have done in the clean data while creating the custom function. So go here, close and load, click OK. So this is our Jan data. You go here inside and change the name to Jan clean data. Okay, and then again go to the clean data, custom, double click on that function and select another one which is Fab month. Click OK, and Fab data is cleaned up now. This is just change the name, Fab clean data. Okay, go home tab, go close and load to icon here and close and load to, click OK. So this is our Fab clean data. Just rename this as a Jan clean data. Okay, now the last table I'll show you how you can invoke inside the Power Query M code. Instead of invoking from the Excel itself, let us invoke in the Power Query M code. Okay, so I'm going to double click any of the table. Okay, and now we have gen data, Fab data, March data. Okay, so here we clean in from the Excel. Okay, now we will clean from the from the here only. Okay, instead of going there, we will clean, will invoke into using this keyword. Okay, invoke custom function. So let us bring the data, the March data, which is this one. Okay, double click this one, and now what you have to do, just remove this. I think what you have to do is you just remove this table itself. Let us bring this table again. Okay, so what we can do now, insert one new query. Okay, go to here and the other source and click help blank query, and here you write excel dot current workbook, current workbook. Okay, now you can see here all our sheets has been loaded into Power Query M code. So we can just remove everything. We just need only March data, which is this one. Okay, this table only, we do not need other table. And now we can invoke using this keyword. Okay, so select this one and click on the invoke custom function. Okay, from the add column, invoke custom function, and now select the clean data, the custom function name. Okay, this one. And now in the drop down you go here and click on column name. Okay, because we need to select the column where our data is available. So column name, and our data is available in the content column, so select the content and click OK. Now extra column has been created. Now remove this both column, we do not need, so remove other column and just expand this. Okay, expand this. As you can see here, the the same logic which we have here, this is our March clean data, March clean data. Okay, so our data has been cleaned, so we can use to invoke this custom function in Excel, and also we can do here in the Power Query M code using this keyword invoke custom function. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I'll post many logics about Power Query M code, Power BI, Excel, VBA, and so on. Thank you for your time.